David Sellam, owner of Mediograph TLS International. 26 years ago, I get to this business by getting a phone call from my brother, who used to live in South Africa, saying that on one of the shopping mall there is a guy that printing large format printing. People brought him their pictures, and he scaled it up to a big poster, which is pretty small, consider what we can do today. And tell me if we want to get to this business. And actually getting bored on the beach in one of the southern beautiful cities in Israel, I said I need to do something with myself. And started the business actually as a large format printing house, which is the first printer was about 40 inches. I was fascinated by the ability to build up an image, a beautiful image with a printer, with a plotter those days. This is what triggered me to this business. I could not imagine how much challenges I would have over the time, and how many nights I won't sleep to figure out how to actually print out and creating a beautiful visuals with the right colors and the right intensity and the right ink limit and all of those things. Yes, this is basically the way I started. And over time, when I moved to Canada, the requests for backlit application were start to to appear in the market. We've been specialized those days printing on textile. So doing a backlit on textile was another big challenge, how to diffuse the light in textile, which everybody knows that textile has kind of pinholes. So working with some manufacturer over Europe, developing some material, we start to have this journey of light boxes, which brings us to another challenge, how to backlit the light boxes. Make it short, this is how TLS was born, to find a solution that was not exist out there, to create a collapsible, uniform, backlit, single, double-sided, that give the flexibility to create any dimension, uniform and easy to ship, and all of those kind of requirement that we put in front of us. And yes, after developing the TLS, it opened us the door to the architectural lighting, opened the division of TLS International, and here we are today, actually having under the TLS very unique range of lighting capabilities, including the TLS Digital, which is the latest one. It's basically a huge, it can be a big screen, pixel control, so we can run low-res video for building facade, for architectural, indoor, outdoor application, and keeping innovating. On a daily basis, we're innovating and creating more and more unique product that are helping us to bring innovation to the market and solution to the market that can be done in different way in most cases, but much, much, much more complex. So plus the ability of combining everything under one roof in our company here, the metal shop, the wood shop, the acrylic, the laser cutters, the printers, all of those things allowed us really to bring to the market a solution that is a custom solution to the customer needs, with our very strong capability in-house to design and to find solution. This is what makes us who we are today under the Mediograph Corporation and the architectural lighting solution.